Hey there, craft lovers! Welcome back to Bin to Bloom. Today I'm going to show you how to turn those old, boring paper cups into adorable mini sunflowers. Ready to make something magical? Let's get started. First, grab an old paper cup. Now, take your scissors and cut the cup vertically into strips. Don't worry if they aren't perfect. Imperfection adds character, right? Once you've got your strips, gently open the cup outwards like a blooming flower. Oh, can you see it taking shape already? Next up, it's time to paint. Choose your favorite sunflower colors, yellow for the petals and brown for the center. Go wild with your creativity. And hey, why stop at yellow? Try blues, reds, or even rainbow sunflowers. Let's make our walls pop with color. Now, for the fun part, the face. On the bottom part of your cup, draw a cute smiley face or anything your imagination comes up with. Maybe a wink, a silly tongue, or even a little mustache. This is your sunflower. Let your creativity shine. Once your masterpiece is dry, it's time to decorate. If you want to hang them on the wall, simply glue a piece of paper or use double-sided tape on the back. Stick them up and watch your room transform into a garden of fun. Make 4 or 5 in different colors and create your own beautiful sunflower wall. And there you have it, a simple, fun way to turn trash into blooming treasures. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You'll never miss a new craft idea from Bin to Bloom. Thanks for crafting with me today. Until next time, keep blooming and keep creating. Bye.